Hello, my friends. Thank you guys so much for your orders and your support. It means the world to me. Here's some packing content, and I've got something I want to talk to you guys about. I'm a relatively new business owner, as you guys know, and something I get asked about quite often is where do you start with starting a business? That is the Tedooo app, my friends. Unlike other apps, Tedooo is an app that is made for sellers and buyers alike. One of the greatest perks about this platform is the fact that it takes zero seller fees, meaning all the hard work you put into your products, like listing, packaging, everything you do, all the sales are yours to keep. Not only that, this platform isn't only a selling platform, it is also doubled as a social media networking platform. You'll have your own feed that's customized to you and your likings. This platform will also allow you to post your products, interact with potential customers, create new friendships, build a community, all while promoting your business. Tedooo is an app for crafters of all sorts. It doesn't matter what craft or products you offer, because this is a place where all makers and crafters are welcome. Tedooo is a great place to talk about your projects, get inspirations, get suggestions, and overall gives you the opportunity to really connect with your community unlike any other selling platforms. Tedooo is something I really wish I would have known about sooner. If I had the chance to start back over, this is definitely where I would start. Everything is super easy with Tedooo, from creating an account, listing your items, and starting group chats to grow and connect with your community. Check out the links that are in my bio to start growing your community and business on Tedooo today. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my TED Talk. Hope to see you on the app, and I will also link my store for Tedooo in my bio. Thanks, guys.